Collaboration between KIPS and Modern Age provides complete academic solution under one platform. Our vision is to transform lives through accessible quality education for a brighter future and a better world.
So how this has benefited our students, I think that the students have not only grown in their academic skill for the board exams, but at the same time, they have improved their chances of securing admissions in different professional colleges, especially the MDCAT and ETA exams.
Continuous psychological and academic counseling is being provided to help students stay motivated, confident and focused.
KIPS में तलबा मेरिट की बुनियाद पर स्कॉलरशिप हासिल कर सकते हैं। यहाँ मॉडर्न एज के तलबा को खुसूसी रियायत हासिल है ताकि उनके वालिदैन के माली बोझ में कमी लाई जा सके।
I am studying in KIPS from almost 2 years. I strongly believe that KIPS is a place where we can improve our studies. Every month we are also updated about latest board patterns, paper patterns and syllabus changes.
Tests are conducted on daily basis according to the schedule provided at the beginning of every session, and full-length paper are conducted at the end of every session according to the pattern of relevant boards to provide students a real-time practice.
PTM is also arranged after every 2 months in which students' performance and behavior is discussed.
We provide access to KIPS premium study material, including well-structured lecture MCQ banks and test series, all designed according to the anti-test patterns.
Each student is provided with a monthly progress report, giving a clear picture of strengths and areas needing improvement. High-performing students are motivated through certificates and prizes, encouraging healthy competition and better performance.
The test system here is very well organized and being conducted in an exam-like environment, which really helps us manage pressure and prepares us mentally for the board exams.
Test file for each student is being maintained and it is discussed with both parents and students in detail and providing clear feedback and improvement strategies.
Students are provided with LMS where they can access to recorded lectures anytime. Parents portal is also available where they can regularly check their child's attendance and academic record.
Overall, students gain strong concepts, better exam preparations, improved results, and a clear path towards a successful future.
A dedicated research department continuously works on preparing updated notes and tests according to the latest board policies.
We offer comprehensive test preparation for ETA, MDCAT, and other exams through a structured system of concept building, practice, and testing.
This system here is very helpful because it improves our board preparation, boosts our confidence, and increases the chances of getting good marks.
The sole purpose was to provide a platform to our students within a secure environment, especially for the girls. So the students are not lost in the crowd. Rather, they get focused attention of the teachers throughout their stay here at KIPS. Thank you.